is Bhaskar. Everyone called him as boss. Who is running after? What had really happened?
Cow has delivered a calf. I bought sweet from the blistering milk. Take it.
Very good.
It's all your lucky hand.
There is nothing in my hand. It's all God grace. Watch out. I will oversee the next delivery too.
Brother, you are helping cattle, but you are still a bachelor, brother.
Take it.
Brother.
Did I ask you? Did I ask you? What bothers you if I married or not? There are many in the city unmarried. Go and ask them. He gets angry if anyone talks about his marriage. Her name is Nithya, boss' younger sister, studying BA Economics final year. She wants to become a TV comparer. Look at her, how she shakes her head while talking.
Hey, Arjun should act in Hollywood movies. How do you feel? What do you say? Yeah, superb. He's the only person who has the perfect personality, right?
She is Sivagami, boss' mother. Bhaskaran has no father. His mother is everything to him. Her most important duty for the family is pray to God, pray to God, pray to God.
Change the blade. Lord Ganesha, whether crops grow or not, when it rains, everyone must grow long hair. I must keep on cutting and earn well. If TR decides to shave his beard, I must give him the shave. Give me the knife!
Like Vadivolu had a story in getting the bakery shop in Philamgiri, Nalathambidu has a story began getting this salon shop.
Son, groom ran away from marriage after knowing my daughter is pregnant.
Will he stay back till the delivery or what?
Let him go to hell, useless man. You are the only one with a smiling face in the marriage hall.
For that?
You must give a new life to my daughter.
Go, man! Go! Get lost! Are you trying to register a second-hand bike in my name used by someone else, man?
Wait, my dear son. If you marry my daughter, I will give my saloon to you, my lucky fellow. What do you say?
He liked the deal very much. To say about boss in 2 lines like Thirukural, he is busy all the 24 hours but he will not do anything.
Oh, I'm feeling hungry. Mommy, let's have something.
Wait, I'm coming. Copy or do something at least to pass this year. I'm unable to show my face in the public. I feel ashamed.
It's already gone, brother. It's not a big deal to take bits to exam. You must pass exam by copying those bits. That's important. Okay, I will drop you.
Oh, where is my bit? Oh my God, I can't live without that. I won't pass the exam without that. Where is my bit? Someone please find it for me. Oh my God, please give it to me.
Excuse me? Is it yours?
Yeah, give it to me. Thanks a lot. You know, you saved my life today. I can't imagine what I would have done without this. Did you read this? I don't feel ashamed to tell you. I'm going to write arrear exam. For that I have made 36 bits. But no one can find them. 3 bits out of that is inside my underwear. But the main thing is, to know where the other bits are, I have to refer the main bit. Okay, forget all that. What do you do? Oh, she's not allowing me to chat up with her. I'm going to write my arrear exams. Best of luck.
Pardon?
Pardon her? For what? Hey boss! What is this, man? You're following her like a hutch dog. Dude, had you said this to me, I would have dropped you, man. I'm gonna write my arrear exams, buddy. If you come with me, I'm not gonna pass for sure. Each time you make me fail. My friend. We both can't be together, man. My friend. Dude, I'll tell you something.
Even if goddess of learning herself drops you, you'll not pass.
Is that a joke?
What else then? Don't bother about astrology. Peep into your neighbor's paper and pass the exam.
Get lost.
I can't leave you so easily. Or else you'll say, I didn't drop you this time. That is the reason you failed. Or else you would have obtained state first and got gold medal. Terrible. I will not give space for all this. Come, get on my back.
So you don't want me to be successful in life?
Practice makes a man perfect.
Hey, what does that mean?
Yes, that means practice will always make a man perfect, said Swami Vivekananda.
Okay.
Henceforth, no evil forces can make you fail, buddy. Can make you fail. Hey.
How are you, boss? How are you, boss? It's been long 6 months. Last year we met. See? You have put on weight. Look at me, how trim I am.
You suffering from diabetics?
Full dead, sir.
Oh.
Coming areas, I'll become more trim. You should also reduce weight because we are all getting
Who is this old man? Your uncle?
Who is he? Your attender, huh?
Had I known guys like him will come, I wouldn't have come to drop him. Shit.
Leave the exam. Let it be there. Boss, very important thing.
What is that?
I have released a new thing.
A new release?
4 months old. Boy, look at there.
Hey, that's nice, buddy.
As if he has released Avatar at 1,000 crores. Bloody.
Hey, leave it, bro. Not everyone gets it for free.
Boss, what you're telling?
My friend has got twins. Come, let's go watch your release.
Boss,
Come.
it's vacation time for kids.
Oh.
They are very much pestering me to take them for a vacation. Our RES exam is like a picnic, no? That's why I brought everyone here. By the way, are you married?
No.
Next time when you come here to write RES, you should bring your wife along. That's a request. You should marry at the right time, boss.
Hey, you writing exams since Gandhi era, you don't talk about era, man. Stupid.
Have this milk.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing
Try to
good.
pass at least this year.
Yeah,
All
for
the
sure.
best.
Hey, what's that, man?
It's milk.
You would have drunk it right
I
now.
slept.
He is an old man, buddy. Come on, leave him.
Oh, friendship,
boss,
is it?
What's our next plan?
Family planning for you.
I didn't ask you. Boss, what's our next plan?
Wow, super. Escape! Oh, God.
Pass it. Pass it on.
I'll try, madam.
Pass this paper.
Okay, madam. Take it, madam.
Hey, what are you doing? That's my bit.
Front pocket, sleeve, neck, left side shoulder, right side shoulder, pant pocket, under. Take all the bits. Three is missing.
It'll take some time, is it okay?
It's okay.
Why don't you leave the bit in my underwear? Let me pass with it.
It's okay. Sit down.
I need some water.
Go.
He's looking into a book and writing.
Hey, what are you doing, madam? You're not letting me use my bit or my books. How can you do such things? How do I pass my arrears, finish my degree, get a good job, get married and make children?
Pardon?
Pardon. She doesn't have anything else to say. What think you? Idiot. Stupid. Nonsense. You country fruit. Degree no, marriage no, children no, matter no. I complain principal. Name tell. Name tell. Tell name. Tell name. Tell. Come on, come on.
Pardon.
Excuse me. Hey, what is this, Sharavanan? I thought you will be in Tanjavur. What are you doing in this local temple?
Oh, what are you doing here?
Ah?
You were roaming on roads. Have you changed it to temples? Why don't you do something good?
Sharavanan, don't get tensed, man. Tell me, what is her name?
Nandini.
Oh, you're feeling shy. What is this? You've grown so old. Still it's a one-way affair? Does mom know about this?
No. Mother doesn't know this. You must talk to mother about this.
What is this?
Her horoscope and photos.
Oh my god. And still you're behind her like a schoolboy? Look there, she's coming. This has ripened a lot. We have to finalize it.
Saravanan is the eldest son. Since he is the groom, we are here to discuss. Talk to the mother.
Yeah, that's right. About you, about your family, and about her also. Broker told us everything. Even their stars are a good match, it seems. Isn't that right? We are happy with the proposal.
Well, other...
Yeah, about that.
I don't want anything as dowry. My both sons are earning very well. Fix an auspicious day and time for engagement and marriage.
Yeah.
Brother told me everything in the phone.
Is it?
Hey, you didn't take the cool drinks.
I think it's getting late. Let's go, Mummy.
At least drink some
Please
juice
drink.
for
He
me.
is insisting so much. Have it, son.
Then what you're doing? Did I
What
ask
are
you
you
something
doing?
wrong?
If anyone asks questions while eating, he gets chopped. Be careful, dear.
Please drink.
Oh my god.
Okay, now you tell me what you're doing.
It seems he won't leave me alone. I would like to talk to her alone.
Hey, what
Keep
are you
quiet,
telling?
Mom.
You can talk.
What should I ask her? I have no clue.
Tell me. What's it?
Can you please give me your mobile?
My mobile?
Give it to me. She's using camera mobile.
What are you trying to do?
That's nothing. I'll give a missed call to Saravanan. See, he'll call you back. Didn't I tell you? See how fast he is.
What happened?
What, brother? Did you talk?
My brother wanted to talk to her. That's why I connected the line.
I saw her face only on the wedding day. Now the technology is improved so much. What you say? Then brother, what you're doing?
Sir, I'm actually... just a minute. Hello? Yeah, tell me, buddy. Hello? 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 I think the tower is a bit weak here. Just a minute. I'll just talk to him and come.
Carry on.
Let me go, please. Hey, what happened? What happened? You were fine only just before.
Come, dear.
Be
You
careful.
came at the right time. Brother,
You want water?
enough. Stop. How long you're
Tell
going to
me
act
what
like
happened.
this? It's enough. I've already told you, this is
Yeah,
my
yeah.
second daughter, Chandrika.
Oh,
Hello, auntie.
This is
Greetings,
bridegroom's
dear.
mother. She has finished MSc.
Oh, I see.
She's a training lecturer here.
oh.
He is bridegroom's brother. His
Oh,
name is Bhaskaran.
Have seen him somewhere, I guess. What is he doing, Dad?
He finished his degree, waiting for the
Oh.
passport. When he gets it, he'll fly. What, brother? Am I right?
Actually, which country are you going? Dubai? Abu Dhabi? Dubai Main Road? Dubai Cross Street?
Wow.
Be careful, man.
What, man? The cart is very strong. Was it a part of the dowry?
Do you think that father-in-law gave it?
Okay, man. What are you doing here?
Hey, it's my brother's first night, man.
Your brother's first night only, no. But what are you
I have
doing
to make
here?
arrangements in the room, right?
This is all done by flower sellers. Dude, new film has released. Let's watch it. Come.
I don't have money with me, man.
You have it in your bureau then. Say don't have money, man. Why add pockets to it? Anyway, I buy the tickets every time. I'll wait downstairs, dude. Come quickly. Come with some side dish, man.
Is everything ready?
What, bro? You are here?
To tighten the screws of cart.
She's Chandrika.
Oh.
He is Nallatambi, our VIP's best friend.
Hi.
Hello.
Greetings. Oh.
Hey, buddy.
Huh?
Make sure your wife and children had food. Your elder son has school today. He'll be late for school.
Just shake my hands on it, man.
Yeah, okay.
How much ever friendly when it comes to girls, he takes no chances.
Nalathambi has a saloon in our area. If you know the name of the shop, you'll start laughing.
What?
And the name is Tala Talapadi.
Tala Talapadi. What is the VIP?
You don't know what is VIP? It's very
Hey.
very important person. The reason he's doing all
How
these
would
jobs.
she know that sitting idle is a big
What
job?
boss? Is everything going fine? If you do this properly, for all the marriages, I'll appoint you as the decoration head.
Hey, shut
Okay?
up and get lost.
What are you trying to do?
Huh? Oh my God, how long do I have to struggle with this?
Sing in the rain, I'm swaying in the rain, I'm swaying.
Huh? Swaying in the rain, and that too with me. Oh my God, she made fun of me.
Greeting, bro.
Greetings,
Ajit
bro.
Fans Club.
Your hero has
Yeah.
many fans. Sure. This year, your hero's film will be great. Super duper hit.
Talapati, I am a big fan of Vijay.
I thought you were Econ's fan. Are you Vijay's fan? Don't worry, bro. Your hero's film also will be great hit.
Why that name Tala Talapadi? Make it Tala.
Or make it Talapati.
You are all small kids. You don't know the philosophy of life. A coin has two sides. Life has happiness and sorrow. Like that, everything is same. Sky and earth, day and night, sun and moon, good and bad, north and south, east and west. These two things, if you get deep into
We
the
asked you
life.
about Tala and Talapati, but you are speaking like idiot.
Hey. These guys don't know respect, man.
Blood.
Thanks, bro. They are not decent like you.
Hey, we are worse than
Leave
them.
me, bro. Hey, leave me, bro.
Hey, why are you bleeding, man?
Hey, who has the guts to fight Tala Talapadi, man?
What happened?
Leave it.
Buddy, why don't you start a ladies' beauty parlor in the name of Trisha and Asin?
Why? To get beaten up by all heroes, huh?
Hey, this is usual for a warrior, man. Hey, come on,
no,
come
man.
on. Hey,
Leave
give
me,
way for
leave
the
me.
warrior.
Please,
Give
dude,
way.
leave me.
Move. What happened? Everyone is sitting outside. Has any old man who came for the wedding kicked his bucket? Nitya? Hey, Nitya. Hey, I'm calling you. What happened?
Mom, brother came home. He came home.
Hey, what is the matter?
Hey Bhaskar, do you have any sense? You're roaming irresponsibly. Why are you interfering in your brother's life? No one can change you.
What's the time now? 3:45. You're roaming and coming. Nobody can change you.
I got fixed your brother's marriage and first night time. Why did you do like this, fool?
What happened? Why are they shouting at me?
Hey, you decorated the first night too. Where is the key?
I kept the key. How did this key come in my pocket?
Oh my God! Give that key. You have done a very good job. I'll...
Where did you go? I was trying to call you. Your number was not reachable.
You didn't get my line? Just a minute. Oh, battery low. It's been switched off. Why didn't you all break open the door?
You blabber like that. You want to break the door at first night? What would the new bride will think about us, huh?
No, very late marriage. I bought you milk sweet from first night, but it got ruined. What I will do with this sweet?
Pour it on your head. Clear out before I kill you. Get out!
That's a nice comedy, right? Huh?
What's wrong with you all? I got to get irritated, but I stay cool. Why is that all of you are talking like this? Will anyone do it wantingly? He must have done it by mistake. I request you all here to please leave immediately. Please.
Sister, 1 minute.
Tell me, Shankar. He came.
Sister, I am
Came.
really
No
sorry.
problem.
I didn't do it on purpose.
You partied with your friends? Come in.
Everybody are here.
You
I'll
to
call
come.
you later. I'll call you later.
Responsible fellow he is, but you go and sleep upstairs.
Yeah, okay.
Don't feel anything wrong.
That's okay.
Okay, go and sleep.
Okay, mother. You go and sleep. I will.
Hey, you. 1 second. Come here.
Yeah, tell me.
Have this. Have it. Go and sleep there.
Mother!
Hey, why are you like this? Do you know what's the time now? There's good time for everything. Go and sleep there. What happened to him?
Sharavanan. Sharavanan, listen.
It's all my fate.
I am some big godfather. You are taking my blessings from me and are going to appear for IAS examination. Dude, don't irritate me. Get lost.
You are the real friend.
Still, what all idiotic things he's going to do? Only God knows.
Chandrika. Chandrika, here. Here.
Thanks.
Sunlight won't fall here if the bus turns. That's why. Tell me, buddy.
Why are you rushing, buddy?
Buddy, I'm totally tensed. She's sitting silently. Shall I tell her now?
To tell immediately. Are you going to say good morning? This is a lifetime decision, dude. Love must be expressed at appropriate time. I have 2 kids. Experienced hand. Listen to me.
Buddy, I know very well about your experiences. Total disaster.
So, buddy, when is the party?
I'll give you a tight slap. I would have expressed it myself better. You said modulation and it's a disaster now. Hell, whoever gave you this idea? Why? Won't he say it directly? He has to beat around the bush.
Leave out what he said and tell me what you said.
How did I say it? I don't think you are beautiful. I never felt like falling in love with you. But I fear all this may come true. But bus left before I completed it.
You idiot. If I ask you to deliver it romantically, you have delivered it arrogantly. Who will love you, man? Idiot. Useless fellow.
Buddy, everyone has his own style. I can do only what is possible for me, right? It's my bad luck that I asked a father of 2 kids like you.
Shall I ask like this? My husband's brother Bhaskar is too good, a gem of a boy. He'll not do any job, happily roam about, and will not listen to anybody. From his dress to his bike, everything was bought by my husband. After marriage, every month, he'll borrow money from his brother and run the family successfully. Such a superior quality guy deserves my sister. Shall I say this to my father? Bhaskar, please wait. You got a sister yet to be married, right? Do you remember that? Will you give your sister's hand to a guy of your quality? Tell me. Come on. Bhaskar, don't take it otherwise. I don't want to talk like a sister-in-law. You will not like it. You will get angry. And you will separate the family. I want everyone to be together. You wanted the hand of my sister. That's why I spoke so. Please don't mind it. Bhaskar, just do one perfect thing in your life. Then ask my sister's hand. Lunch is ready. Please do eat and go. I forgot to say. Your friends will be waiting in the saloon. You will miss your schedule. Your brother says he's leaving home.
Leave it. Something good will happen. What, bro? Got bored roaming locally? Are you going out to roam?
I'm leaving this home.
Slow. Eat
Mother?
slowly.
Nitya!
Yes, bro.
Come here. Boss is saying something. Listen to him.
Hey,
Where is
where
he
are you
going?
going?
I'm leaving this home.
What? Going to clean the house? No need to do that. You will not do that also properly. I do myself.
Mom, he doesn't say he's going to sweep the house. He says he's leaving the home.
Hey!
Cool. Hey, you. Why are you hitting her? What happened to you?
Since I don't work and I don't earn, you look down upon me, right? I'm going.
Super.
What happened to you to leave the house?
Now you're asking me who's responsible for it.
I will say, Auntie. He wanted to marry my sister and he wanted me to talk to my father.
Hey, you. What is this? Look, dear, I don't know anything about this.
That's okay, auntie. I asked him if he would marry a guy like him to Nitya. Is that wrong?
I didn't find anything wrong in this. Who will give a girl without a jobless man?
I've been watching you all for some time. You're all talking about me being jobless and my sister's marriage and stuff. Why do you think I can't earn? In just 6 months, I'll arrange for her marriage and all expenses are on me. Nobody need to spend a penny on that.
If it's not happen?
If it doesn't happen, I'll never come back to this home. If I do it, will you get your sister married to me immediately? Huh?
Hey, first do it, then challenge. Now you go.
Hey, he's blabbering something.
Mummy,
you also supporting
why are
him?
you getting tensed? Don't you have faith in me? I'll learn and show, Mummy. Hey, your marriage is my
Hey,
responsibility.
what are you talking, man?
Okay, Saravana. You carry on and eat well, huh? You're following your wife's
Hey,
orders,
Bhaskar,
right?
listen to me. Don't go.
Boss, 1 minute.
Hey, Saravanan, please don't force me. I won't come back.
No. It's raining over there. You may come back because of this reason. So, that's why I came with umbrella. Keep it. Nalatambi.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Your hair look thick. Don't cut it very short.
Oh, okay. I will cut and make it appear thick.
I'm going to Tanjore to meet my
Easy.
girl.
Good news, sir. Congratulations. How can I make it look thick? I can only fry dosa on it.
What do they think of me, buddy? Huh? What do they think of me?
Dude.
A man without money should not fall in love. Only a man with money can love, is it?
Customer, dude.
Oh, sorry, sir. You should have told me he's a customer, right?
Remove your bags first.
Hey, what's happening? Huh?
Sorry, sir. Close friend, that is why. Dude, out.
Okay.
Make it fast.
Ready, sir.
I have to go to Tanjore.
Okay, sir.
Is money everything, buddy? Can't I earn money? Do you know for how many people I have found jobs? They've all settled in Singapore, Malaysia or Dubai. They are calling me every day and asking and begging me to come there. Why didn't I go? This is my soil.
Dude, this is his head.
Hey.
Sorry, sir. It came in a flow. Dude, go and sit there.
Nalatambi, nowadays you are very bad.
Sorry, sir.
Who is this Nalatambi? He's your friend?
Yes, sir. Close friend. Got little emotional.
Make it fast, I have to go.
Okay, sir.
Buddy.
Yes, dude.
I'll get my sister married in just 6 months, you see.
Instead of the priest, you will recite
You
hymns.
fool.
Huh?
How much will it cost? 3 lakhs? 5 lakhs? I will earn and show you. I will show them all.
Useless fellow.
What happened, Nalatambi? Go, man, go.
Sir.
You are a very bad guy.
No, sir.
He spoiled everything.
Though he doesn't have much hair, he comes every month regularly, man. Huh? Look, he's sleeping like in a dentist chair. Hey. Get up, man.
Where is my car? Where is my factory?
To get rich in one song, are you superstar Rajinikanth or ultimate star Sharat Kumar? Dude, make me as your role model and come up in your life step by step, man.
Buddy, the step-by-step method will not work out for me. I must reach the top in one day.
You wanted to reach top in one day, no? Is this top okay to you? You must climb to the top daily and make a note of the reading. That is your job. Congratulations. As you wished, you are reaching top in one day. Young man, take care of him.
I'll take care of him.
You wanted to reach top in one day, right? Why did you come back?
I didn't like the job, buddy.
Remove the cooling glass. Irritating. Tell me now, why will it not set for
Buddy,
you?
a girl is dependent on me, buddy. If I fall down from there and break my limbs, who will take care of me? Will you take care?
I'll cut your finger. You... Dude, your girl has come.
What are you murmuring?
Dude, girl, man.
Hey, buddy, you never told me. Have you started cutting hair for ladies too?
You discuss, I'll come later.
Hey, sit down, man. This is your shop only.
Say
No?
that
Sit
often,
down.
dude, that it's my shop. You spend more time here than me.
Sorry, Bhaskar. I came to know what happened in home. I'm responsible for everything. It happened because of me. But please try to understand. To reform you only my sister has spoke that way. There is no hidden motive behind that.
So that means before this I was useless, hopeless and cheat. Isn't that right?
You think you are Docomo company owner or what?
Nalatambi. No, Bhaskar. I didn't mean like that. What I'm trying to say
You
is...
don't have to say anything. Both sisters joined together to throw me out of the home and you're playing a drama now?
Dude, her sister is a lady. You shouldn't have spoken to a lady like that.
What do you mean I should not talk? What shouldn't I talk? I went to the college to ask her, right? She likes me or she doesn't like me. She can say that. And she says, talk to my sister, talk to my sister. This is all a big drama, man. If I do not go for work at all and never ever earn in my life, and just imagine that I keep loitering on the roads.
Already you're doing it. Continue.
Will you marry me then? Huh?
Why, Bhaskar, you're not understanding me? You should start working and earn money, and then only we can talk about marriage in our home.
Oh, buddy, it seems I must go for work and earn money, buy a house, buy a car, and after that she'll show her broad smile and come with me, it seems. Didn't I tell you? This is all a drama, man. Ask her to go. Let some fresh air come in.
I came here to help you. My madness.
Dude, you wanted a job, I got you one. You said a girl is depending on you, agreed. Now the girl came to meet you, you also sent her out. What is your problem, man?
It is too high, man. I can't work from that height.
With your wife, where will you go to honeymoon after marriage?
Honeymoon? Buddy, Ooty or Kodaikanal?
For these things alone, you will take her to high places.
Don't talk filthy things like that. Find me some other job. I'll do it.
Buddy, I have one of my friends in Madras.
Please don't send me to Madras, man. It's very hot there. I don't know how people live there. I can't go there, please.
Yes, it's little hot only. How about the chemical factory in Madurai?
Hey, I'll get skin allergy, buddy. It'll affect 3 generations. I read it in paper. Should our children be punished for our wrongdoings? You tell me, buddy.
Correct. What else? Dude, marketing job?
That's a dog's life, man.
Hey, dog's life is better than your life. How about driver?
No guarantee for life, man.
Conductor?
That's a very cheap job.
The spoon helper?
Buddy, even I have a status, man.
Oh, are you becoming a hero in film star?
Rajni Kamal, Vijay Ajit, Vikram Surya. Heavy competition, buddy.
The competition is between them only. Why is he bothered? Then politics?
No, I can't even think about that.
Hey, why don't you open a saloon shop like me?
Buddy, how do I ruin your business, man?
What do you think you're doing now? Take your hands off me. Really? I'm telling from the bottom of my heart. I swear, you'll never come good in life. Never, ever.
Hey, you're going, right? Okay, go. I'll show you how I'm becoming Ambani in 6 months. How to become Ambani in 6 months. This scheme seems to be good. Looks like they won't let me become Ambani. Hello?
Good morning, sir. I'm Sandhya calling from Indian Overseas Bank.
Sandhya, is it? Which Sandhya?
That's what, sir. You bought a mobile phone on Bhaskaran's name from Universal Mobile, right?
Yeah, that's right. I bought it for my girlfriend. Why, what happened?
Congratulations, sir. We have sanctioned a loan to you as a festival offer.
A loan? That too for me?
Yes, sir. You are Bhaskaran, aren't you?
She is giving all correct
Hello.
details. I have never taken money from anyone till now. But since you are insisting so much, how much will you sanction?
How much ever you want, sir.
As much as I require? What are you saying?
Yes, sir.
And after that, you won't torture me asking for my ration card and license, right?
No need of anything, sir. If you come personally, you can take cash in 5 minutes.
Full cash in 5 minutes? Is Sandhya here? Okay.
Usually you don't borrow money from anyone, isn't it? Huh? Hey!
Shit. Insulting me has become a time pass for her.
Brother,
oh my God,
when did he
again
come?
this chap.
Now,
Is he
where
working
you're
in
going?
this bank? Nothing, sir. I was just leaving.
I am waiting for you.
No,
Please
no.
Come. Bhaskar, about you, my daughter told me everything. I know your position. In your position, it is very hard to go to any relatives asking for money. But if you want some cash, you can straight away come and ask me. Why you are asking through my daughter? Tell me.
But when did I ask her?
Please.
Okay, brother. Then, how much loan you need? Loan amount, how much money you want as loan?
Give me as much as your bank can afford, sir.
Okay, what business you are planning to do?
Whatever amount you plan to give me, it depends on that.
Okay, you have any collateral?
You mean murder?
What I'm asking is, you have any properties on your name?
No. I don't have anything like that. I am planning to earn everything for myself.
Good build-up. You said you finished the degrees. You have the certificates?
Degree. But then your daughter didn't let me copy. She didn't even let me take the bits from my brief. I have +2 certificates, sir.
Chandrika, it's time for your college. You start.
No, Dad, he must.
I'll take care of him. You don't worry. You start.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll also take leave.
Brother, she has got work. She is going. What about you? Please sit down. Sit down here. When I asked you how much loan you want, you don't know. When I asked what business you are going to do, you don't know. You have studied something and got any degree, that too you don't have. How brave you are coming to bank and asking for loan. Tell me. You have wasted total 10 minutes of my time. Scold me. Scold. Why you stop? You started to abuse me. Then why you stopping in between? I don't worry about all these things. Hello. Take that also.
Sorry, Bhaskar. I saw your missed call. I had a seminar in the college. That's why late. Okay, leave that. Did you get the loan amount? How much?
Get lost, you. Did I come and ask you that I am struggling to survive? Somehow give me some money. Somehow give me some loan. You called on your own. You asked me to come on your own and then make me struggle with that mongoose head. Just so that he can humiliate me. That's the idea, right? What is it? Oh, were you surprised to see me after promising not to talk to you? Whatever. You are a beautiful and attractive girl, and that is why I am doing all this. Now, did you get it? Hey, taking this chance to say, you can do it, Bhaskar. Every man has a talent in him, Bhaskar. If you start taking such classes for me, I'll kill you for sure. Hey, what is this? If you hold my hand, do you think I'll listen to you? Huh? If you keep your hand on my shoulder, do you think I'll take chances? Hey, if you even if you hug me? Buddy, 60% of the boys have failed. There is no other tutorial college in our area. I think it is the right time to start.
Dude, it's all related to studies. We need brain.
Hey, are we going to start trusting our brains? Let us employ well-educated teachers, man.
Don't talk like nonsense, man. We need money for that.
Buddy, if my dear friend Nallathambi decides, he can do it.
Nallathambi's heart is not diamond. Nobody will give money for that. I don't have single paisa. Get lost.
Hey. Get me a loan from someone, man. I'll repay it.
First, you pay me yesterday's beer amount. Give that first. Look,
hey, how
this
can
guy
you
is
keep
going
an
to
account
repay.
for beer, man? Come on. I have decided on a name also. Challenge Tutorials. How is it, man?
Buddy, I've never seen you speaking so positively. I'll arrange something for that.
You are my real friend.
Is brother there?
Yeah, he's there.
Come. Did you see how long we had to walk for getting loan?
Forget it, buddy. He will have to walk more than us to get back the money, right?
Remove.
It's actually the sun.
Remove the glass. I'm seeing arrogance in your words.
Buddy, nothing like that, man.
Dude, I'm taking loan trusting you. Please don't betray me, buddy.
What is this, man? Don't speak inauspicious things when you are going on a good work.
Okay, what's the matter? Why have you come this side?
Bro, he's my friend Bhaskar.
crying.
My son, slowly please. My ears are hurting. You tell me, brother. I mean, he's my friend Bhaskar. He wants to start a tutorial center. Very good boy. He's my only friend. If you help with 50,000 loan, it'll be very helpful. What's there in that? I'll give it to you. Huh? Okay. Okay, brother. Are you the teacher?
Yes, brother. Even I am a teacher.
Huh?
Oh, is it so? I didn't know about you, so I thought I'd just ask about you. Hey, give it. Take it, brother. Here's what you asked for. Mr. Teacher, what's your name?
My name is Bhaskar.
Bhaskar. Brother Bhaskar.
Yes, brother.
I have a known boy.
Okay, brother.
Who's not passed even 10th standard.
Sorry to hear.
Why don't you take him also? Bro, you're giving this much money. Will we not do that?
Yeah.
You send your son.
Send if there are any girls also.
Huh?
To make them study well.
Oh. Then what? Take the cash and start the work. Bro, go and take it.
Nobody, you take
Dude,
it.
you have to go and take.
Your hands are more lucky. You take it and give it.
Brother, just wait for a second. Just sign on that agreement and then take the money. Didn't I say? Bro will get the signature and then only give the money. Put the Hey Bhaskar, do you have some property in your name?
No, brother. I must earn it
Okay,
here
then
after.
give it to Nalathambi. Myself?
Hey, sign wherever he shows.
He will show his back while bathing. Shall I put it there? Stupid. What, Nalathambi? Talking amongst yourself. Just sign the agreement. Bro, that is...
Buddy, it's my life, man.
Okay. Didn't I tell you about that boy who's failed at 10th standard? This is the one. See what a smiling face he's got. My son, no. How is he?
Father, did you tell about our grandpa to the new teacher?
I'll tell him. Grandpa? He's my father, Murugapandi. My father was the first man to study 10th class in my clan. 10th class is a common exam. But to pass it, he had an idea. Who are you two? Why are you two sitting together?
He is my teacher. Instead of me writing, I am making him to write the exam directly. Any problem?
I was smarter than my father. I went to write 10th exam learning 5 words. Those 5 words were, pass me or else I'll kill you. My son is a lion's cub. Just that he dozes off if it is silent. Exam halls are always silent. He just sleeps there. In spite of that,
Brother,
even if they wake him up,
get up!
Although you are uneducated, you have 10-20 people under you and run like a factory. Nothing like that, bro. All these guys have taken loans and nobody keeps up their promise. All are frauds. That's why I've employed them by signing an agreement like you for 2 years. Can you see all those people cleaning the dung there? They're almost all teachers. All of them are dullards. That's why I made all of them clean the dung. Hey brother Nalathambi, why are you standing there? Come, let's go. Just tell your friend and somehow get my son to pass 10th standard. Only if he doesn't pass, then I'll take your shop away and bring your whole family to the streets. And I'll make you also clean the dung. Because the signature was done by you. And that's how it has to be done. Somehow get him to pass 10th standard, my brother. You have to make him pass. Hey, take the vehicle.
Hey, careful, man. What happened, buddy? Knowingly or unknowingly, you have caught the tiger's tail, Mr. Nalathambi. If you release the tail, tiger will eat you, Nalathambi.
Dude, what man? You're telling Mr. Nalathambi that I've caught it. It will eat me. Why are you saying as if I'm strange to you, man? We both signed together only,
It just came out in a flow, man. We caught it together. It'll eat both of us.
We can manage when it eats. Leave that. Now what are we going to do?
I'll tell you what. Let's do something really big.
Oh God, save my family from going to streets.
Buddy, don't trust God. Trust yourself.
I am God. Get lost.
Look who has come here.
Who is he? He looks like a cookie seller.
Hey, he is going to be a tutorial teacher. He is my old classmate. Very intelligent guy.
All the useless guys are joining together. Will my tutorial succeed? Sir, if I can get some advance.
You want pudding before brushing
Hey,
teeth?
I'll pay you after cutting the ribbon, man.
Buddy, okay, sir. Will we cut the ribbon right?
Hey.
Hey, Talapati. How are you? Are you doing fine?
Welcome, bro.
Brother.
Greetings.
Why all these formalities,
That's
brother?
okay, brother. Please keep it.
Am I late for the function, brother?
No, brother. We just bought sweet and snacks.
What? Sweet teacher?
See how my line cup is running. Don't worry that he's cut the ribbon now. In the future, he'll become a very big man. Only after he was born, I got 15 buffaloes.
If you give birth to Yama, you have to buy buffalo only.
What did you say?
Your son is indeed very lucky. Let's go in, bro. Bless me, bro. I'm like your son.
Move aside, man. Brother Bhaskar, you're a lucky fellow. Even if I take away his shop, or even if his whole family comes to the streets.
Bro, what bro? As if my family coming to streets like you announcing Chennai Express getting into station. Too much, bro.
Brother, the truth must be told. Bhaskar, you should be very lucky to have a friend like him. Do you know how big a risk he's taken for you?
Brother, don't think that I'm praising him for nothing. Taking risk for Nalathambi is like eating rasam.
Either you eat rusk or biscuits. My son has to pass in his 10th standard. Or else Nalathambi, you remember, right?
This
Okay, I'll leave now.
Scaring me too much. The way he is eating bunches of bananas, I feel forest elephants will come to petty shop for eating bananas.
Hey, Bhaskar, ask him to teach something. I'm already sleepy.
Hey, before he doses off, teach him something,
For
man.
one student, I don't want to waste my energy.
You asked
like
for advance, no? Take this orange. Go. Don't stand near him for a long time. He'll bite you. Go and teach.
A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b.
Learn the lesson. Drink tea. Song.
What is this, man? No one has come for admission yet?
First ask if this guy hasn't left.
That's not a problem, man. Today is his first day. He'll progress step by step, right? Here, listen to this. Our friendship song.
Hi, Nalathambi.
Please come in. Sit down. Hey, it seems they're distributing free hot food in the nearby temple. Go.
Food?
Yeah, go quickly.
Hey,
you go down and have 2 teas on Nalathambi's account. You sit down, sit down.
Gopal sir.
Hey, buddy, I forgot to tell you, man. I got a call from your salon. 20 people are waiting to shave their head. Go quickly.
Dude, why are you chasing everybody outside?
Buddy, my girl has come, man. She might feel like talking to me for 5 minutes personally. Can't say it, buddy. She might give me a kiss just to motivate me to go to the next stage, man.
Did we start the tutorial for that?
Try to understand me, man. Just leave. Come on, darling.
Hey, what do you think of yourself? Are you man? Did I say why I'm here? Did I? If your hand touches me, I'm warning you.
Why are you getting tense, darling?
Look, I don't want to talk to one who didn't want to talk to me at all. Nalathambi, I came to meet you and talk to you. What? Okay, right?
Okay.
Then Nalathambi, only one staff, one student? Who are you teaching in an empty classroom? Is there a limit to your duty consciousness? I have forgotten to tell you. Don't worry that students haven't turned up. Wait for another 4-5 months. Because the face value both of you possess, you'll get more admissions. Okay, bye.
Buddy, I think what my girl says is absolutely right. Why can't we wait for 4 to 5 months?
Have we come for pregnancy or what? Remove the cooling glass, man. She is taunting that nobody will come looking at our faces.
Oh, so we can say it like that also.
Oh my god. This guy is not able to understand even this silly matter. I've started this big venture trusting him. God
Buddy,
save me, please.
No. Hey.
Boss, we are 30 members.
30 members.
He's the gang leader.
Hello, brother.
Greetings, bro.
Let's place a small shop in a tutorial, okay? That's make us no need to go out, right?
Hey, are we running a wine shop here? For you to open shops or eateries outside? We can't do all that. If you fail, we'll sure return the money.
However you're gonna settle back our money, better pay us 100 rupees in installment. That is more useful for us. Am I right, gang leader? Boss, just think about it.
That's not applicable in this scheme.
Yeah.
I'll think of adding it next time.
First, you go to jail, release those 30 prisoners and come. Go.
Hey, crowd is so much, man. Shall we pay advance income tax?
Hey, let's first try to pay the tax for Pal
Bro,
Party.
if we fail, will you pay by check or cash?
Brother, come to class with the hope of passing. You look like you want to fail and get your money back. Don't you have any responsibility?
Dear students, as we don't have time, we will go directly to the subject.
Sir.
What man? Doubt even before we could start?
No need of anything. Just shut and get lost.
Hey, what is this, guys? Hey, don't do this. Hey, stop. Don't hit me. Hey, guys, don't do this. I'm your teacher.
Hey, what are you doing, man? Do you know what will happen if Gopal sir comes to know about this?
Hello, I am the Gopal, yeah.
Sir, what happened? You went in like binding book and now coming out like rough note.
Are these all students? For taking classes for them, it is better I sit on the road and make
Gopal
Don't
sir.
go. Buddy, look there.
Oh, this guy.
You gave teas and rapped on my head, right? Even if God thinks, nobody can stop you from cleaning dung. Catch you later.
Pixar talking punch dialogues.
Don't feel sad, buddy. We will do something.
Dude, what? You said we'll do something? Now walking to and fro like a watchman?
Buddy, I'm seriously thinking in which way to take our successful journey.
Fool!
Uh?
Bloody, taking loan on interest, he's still thinking of roots.
Hello? Buddy, it's a missed call from your sister.
What?
My girl, man. But I have a doubt. These girls always give missed calls only. Why is that?
With the neck deep problems we are facing, are all these doubts so important?
Come on, tell me, why do they give missed calls?
That's not missed call, dude. Those are signals of ditching your bright future.
Oh.
Your girl too will ditch you in the near future. Go.
You are jealous, buddy.
Chandrika? Hello, I am in an important meeting. We'll call you back. Okay. If she calls you, call her back, man. If not, she is calling me.
See, buddy, if one cannot get a busy businessman's phone, he will obviously try his assistant's phone. That's a rule, right?
Dude, she's
Hi,
calling to talk.
Nalatambi. You said you're in a meeting, right? I know it. For sure you will be with your English professor. Then Nalatambi, from today your name is Challenge Nalatambi. Is it so?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, from now I'm going to call like that. I saw the posters. Beautifully done. Chanceless. It's overcrowded in your center, it seems. Due to traffic jam everywhere, there's a chaos. There is a queue till Tanjavur. Congratulations, huh? Congratulations, Nalatambi.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll take leave.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Ambani brothers. It seems you owe rupees 107 and 50 paise to the tea shop.
107 rupees 50 paise. It should be 110 only.
Actually,
okay.
when I'm coming, Naya said, if you're not going to pay it by today evening, he's going to throw hot water on your face. Anyway, while going down, be careful. Okay, Nalatambi, bye. Nalatambi, to you only. Bye.
Okay.
Nalatambi, look at me. Bye.
Dude, look at her, man.
This you could have done earlier.
So, guys having 50-60 friends in this town are all happy. I am having only one friend and tortures I am undergoing.
You are my real friend, man.
Take a hand, man. Those were days when I dream angels used to come. Now I close my eyes, Pal Party and his father only coming. When this is the condition, anybody failing will refund them. Likewise, you've made me a borrower everywhere.
Buddy, don't talk negatively.
Then shall I talk like a print photocopy?
Come on, don't make it a comedy. See here, we didn't have anything. Now we are running a tutorial. First nobody came. Now we have many students. Nobody is studying now. But hereafter they'll study and they'll pass the exam. Failures are just a stepping stone to grand success. We must work like fire, Mr. Nalatambi.
When it comes to work, I am an Englishman. In the magic that I am going to do tomorrow, our boys are going to be freezed. Hello?
Hey, you said you'll make all the students to freeze in the tutorial? All are standing outside and scratching their head. Where are you?
Boss, look front.
Nallatambi. This is very usual thing. I'll take care of him.
Oh, okay.
Buddy, she is a very good teacher. Who is she actually?
You don't know her? She's famous for BIT, dude.
Her bits?
Yeah. Wherever she goes as examiner, no students can use BIT. She will catch, twist and turn them. Look how the boys are sitting freezed on the benches.
Hi students, I'm Parimala, your new teacher. Okay, listen to the lesson. Hey, why are you standing? Please sit down. You'll get tired.
Teacher, the full board is not visible if we sit down, teacher.
What an interest in the lesson. I need students just like you.
Hey, I'll take it.
Don't rush. Careful.
Take it, teacher.
Thank you.
It's okay, teacher. I'm really proud to help you, teacher.
Very good. Go and sit.
Dude, did you look at them? Even the small pin will disrupt the pin drop silence. Such a silence.
Buddy, superb man. You have proved that you're really a well-experienced man in this.
Dude, I would have done this already. But you are an upcoming boy. These are things I've left for you. Life is just an experience.
Hey, I need to learn a lot of things from you, man.
Hey.
Hey, come on,
Leave
teach
it,
me,
yeah.
please.
Yes.
What did you just do?
Buddy, this is the gesture of victory.
Gesture of victory?
Hey, if I make this gesture, it means my shop is saved, my family is saved. Why did you do it?
My sister will get married. I'll get married.
Oh, is it like that? Shall we both do the gesture of victory? Yes. Dude, I think the class is going to get over. Come, let's go.
Today's class is over. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Teacher. How are my students, teacher?
Nallatambi, don't worry. All the students are very good, just like you.
Buddy, me too.
Teacher for him also.
You people see, definitely everyone will pass. May I go? Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
What a teacher.
Dude, look at them. They are frozen like an ice.
You have achieved it.
My dear students, future our country pillars.
What do you say? Have you understood maths lessons properly?
Palpandi sir, how did the maths teacher teach?
Is she a maths teacher? You never told that?
Hey, what are you doing? Are you vacating the shop?
You made me vacate, no? Before Velpandi comes and sees the shop, let me go somewhere with my family and make a living.
Hey, are you vacating the shop listening to a girl's words? Don't you even trust me?
Dude, since you want to become a family man, looks like you'll make me lose my family. I will join with you and do business and become big Ambani. All these dreams, okay man? Enough is enough. Leave me.
Hey, listen to me, man. We'll do something else.
The day you die, I'll come to torture your son's
getting
head.
tense like this?
Okay, I'm not becoming tension. With all coolness, I'm telling, please leave me. Get lost. I'm leaving. I'll go
In
somewhere
that case,
and...
give me the key and go.
I myself am vacating the shop. Why you want the
my
key?
things are here, right?
Things, diamonds.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Gold
Listen to
stone
me.
briefs.
No, please, don't.
Go away. Take that.
Hello, boys. Her name is Annapurni. She'll be your class teacher from today.
Boss, we don't need this teacher. Ask Parimala teacher to come.
1 minute. Whether you like it or not, she will be taking classes for you now. Are you all done? Teacher, the class is yours now.
Bhaskar, just a minute. Though you know I am visually impaired, you have confidence in me and gave me this opportunity. I'll definitely keep it up, your confidence with me. Though I can't see you, I have done MSc and MPhil to teach you. You people passing 10th class is not a big deal. You just think about it. I have seen before more mischievous acts than this. No matter whatever you do, I'll not stop taking classes. After I teach you, even if one student passes, I'll be so happy that I have got back my vision. Okay? Good luck.
Hey, don't leave, man. Come on. Please sit inside the class. Please, don't leave. Hey, what are you doing? Please don't go. Please don't go. Hey, please wait. Wait, don't go.
Students, nothing urgent. Copy this patiently. Max isn't so tough as you think. Have you understood what I have written? Please write everything in your note. Density of round is pi I r2h. If you by heart this formula, you can solve this problem very easily. If you have any doubt in max, just ask me. I'll teach you. Okay?
Teacher?
Yes?
Chalk piece.
Thank you so much, dear. What's your name?
Paul Pandi.
Okay, go to your place and listen the class.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, students. Have you understood this problem? Please note it down. Next, we will see about the density of a cone.
Hey, man, don't you want to pass? Please go inside the class. Please attend the class. Don't you want to pass this exam?
Hey,
come on, please.
Get inside the class.
Class is going on.
Hey, get inside the class.
My son, you should never worry for anything. Is there a way to escape? See before that. Okay. My son, just go and check the result.
Okay, Daddy. Please bless me.
Live long, my lion cub. Victory is ours.
Hey. Hey, look, he's coming.
Brother, what happened? Why are you crying? What happened? My lion cub should not cry. Oh my God!
What do we do? What is this, man?
Sir, what happened? Brother, if you yourself cry like this, what will we do? Brother, has our brother failed again? Just tell yes, I will kill both of these guys. Don't you know the difference between sad tears and happy tears? What I'm shedding now is because of happiness. My son, this lion cub, has passed his 10th standard. Hey, we've all passed. Come on, let's enjoy. Put the garland. Lift these ceremonies. Come on.
Yeah! He insulted us without giving even a penny as loan. Hell. If you weren't there, I can't even think about it. You are my real friend. Now come, let's go.
Dude, you go enjoy with your girl. I have a small work. I'll finish that and come.
After solving all problems as he had wished, Bhaskar, who was going to conduct his sister's marriage, he didn't know then there was a big problem for him to marry Chandrika.
Tell me, what did I do for that? I am asking, what did I do? I did only my duty, isn't it? For that, why this felicitation? In this city, I have helped thousands of people. Many gained because of me. You can't show a finger and tell that this person has lost because of me. It's impossible. Is there anyone? Bravely you can tell. Please tell. Come on.
I am there, sir. Greetings.
You? What brother is telling is funny. Brother, please come. Open your mind and speak. Come and share your experience, brother. Come on, please come. Nice to meet you.
Greetings. Everybody, greetings. Making loan seekers go from pillar to post. Mister, move your tummy. Greetings to Shanmuga Sundaram. Sir said he doesn't like such a felicitation. Then why the hell did you come here? Hey, I'll cut your face. Sit, I'll cut your face. Hey, the ladies and gentlemen, please sit down. Say, sit down. I've seen much worse goons. Dear, come here. Come here, dear. Come and stand here. What's this bushy dog-like hairstyle in this old age? Style, Funk hairstyle at the age of becoming a grandfather. I will cut it. Okay. When my friend came seeking loan, what should have been your response? What you should have told him? You should have said you will sanction or not sanction. But you felt as if you were giving the loan from your own pocket. You humiliated and sent him out. Are you so great or what? I am asking you, that big person. In a small cabin with just one rolling chair, you feel so much proud working means. One line, 4 rolling chair in my shop. I am cutting hair going round. How proud should I feel? How proud I should feel? Wait. Hello? Dude, 1 second. Dude, how will you scold your girl's father? Yeah. Sorry for disturbance. Hey, did you find who? Your younger son-in-law. It seems he is not in mood to abuse you, but still he was so nasty. If he was in mood, he will use all bad words. See, Sundara, behave properly, not to hurt Bhaskar. If I get report again, too. I have an important work. I'll come back.
Oh my God.
I didn't do anything.
Come here.
No, that's okay.
It's okay, come here. Come. You denigrated me, that too through an appointed person. You want me to give my daughter to him? Tell me, son. If you get such a dirty slap, will you give your daughter? Tell me. Please tell me why you are silent.
Now do you understand? Bhaskar is running after his friend Nalathambi to kill him. The reason for it is the wedge he had inserted. You claim to be my best friend and put a wedge between us. Are you a real friend? To hell with you. Hey, if you get drunk, you should sleep like a log. Why are you still alive? I'll kill...
Yeah. 1 minute. Please hit me and go.
Hey, leave me.
Hey.
Just
please,
leave my hand, I say. Just leave me. Just leave me, I say.
No. Dude, at least hit me once and then run. Or else the history will talk bad about our friendship.
Didn't I tell you about one Shiva? This is him.
Hi.
Greetings, sir.
Hello. Hi.
Shiva, this is my daughter Chandrika. Very pretty girl.
Hi.
Hello.
I saw your photo in the mail. You're more beautiful than the photograph.
Dude, don't worry about that.
I want to talk to you a lot. Anyway, we'll talk a lot after marriage, right? About the rituals, you can just talk to my dad.
Okay.
Anyways, adios,
Shiva,
amigos.
please wait. Shiva, my close friend's only son. He is the MD of Shiva Grenades.
What did he say? MD, is
Leave
it?
it, man.
If you want to tell about him, he is a teetotaler. What? Why you're looking? You don't understand? Teetotaler. The meaning of teetotaler is he is having no bad habits. He is a gem of a
Hey,
man.
uncle, what is this? You're embarrassing
I'm
me.
telling the truth only.
Okay, everyone. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Uncle, I'm pretty impressed with your daughter.
Okay, Shiva.
Dude, he's coming. Just take him all alone and disclose all the matters.
Then Shiva,
Sir,
everything
just
is
Yeah,
fixed.
absolutely fine, as I told you.
Why you want to talk to this loafers? It's time.
Sir, please wait. We want
One
to talk to him.
Just tell me.
Regarding Chandrika's marriage,
Mm.
I need to talk something.
Go ahead.
Hey, tell you want to talk to him.
Details, right?
Hello. I need to talk to you alone.
Shiva, your flight is getting delayed.
Sir, it's an important matter. Please talk and go.
Okay.
I and Chandrika.
What? Loving each other. Just one side or double side? Just love or park, pawn, theatre, etc. etc. Live it, dude. If there is a super figure in the area, such tales are common. Few guys like you would go after them. Only then it's a merit for the figure, right? I don't really care about that she likes me or not. But definitely I'll marry her. So you do one thing. You just stop following beautiful girls. For your status and your qualifications. Find and select some ordinary or plain looking girl. Never give up trying, Bhaskar. Keep on struggling. Hard work never fails. Okay? Bye.
Sir, just a minute.
What now, man?
First, listen to what I'm trying to say.
You're gonna say you can't marry her till I am alive. I'm like that. I'm like this. Will you deliver such a dialogues? Please don't dream, boss. Huh?
Hey! I love Chandrika, man. And she too loves me sincerely. And without knowing all this, you're talking like a madman? Don't you have any shame? Are you so insensitive? To hell with you. What do you actually eat? Food or something else?
Hey! What? Am I covered if I come in a suit? Shall I show you how low I stoop to? Shall I show? Shall I show, huh? You will get beaten up.
Hey, you look like a chocolate hero, but you're racing a hell claiming to be a local rowdy or a street rowdy? I want to know how local you are. Just tell me now.
Shall I? Shall I?
Huh?
Let's have a competition of bad words.
What is that?
Non-stop for 10 minutes we should talk. Whoever wins, the girl is this. What? Deal or no deal?
Hey, I love that girl, man. And you're talking about deal or no deal?
Shiva? Shiva? What happened, Shiva? Bhaskar? Bhaskar! Open the door, Bhaskar! Security, open this or break it!
Enough.
Why, buddy?
Cool drink is not good for our health.
Oh,
buddy.
is it so? Just see if it is alright now.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Teetotaler. That means a person having no bad habits.
Hey, buddy.
Uncle, are you joining with us?
Siva, what is this? What is this you are doing? I couldn't believe it. Your father told me proud things about you.
Hey, no father knows fully son is a gentleman. So what? Buddy, you make a drink. Just make it, man.
Siva, like a good man wearing all this coat, you cheated me.
Hey, who told you people in suits are gentlemen? Did I claim so? I'm wearing suit too. Conceal quarter bottles.
What?
Buddy, side dish.
My God, Siva, I introduce you as a teetotaler to everybody.
Father-in-law, I don't drink tea or coffee. Only brandy, uncle. Hey, pickle will go good with brandy. Pickle.
Yeah, pickle. Oh, there is nothing left. Buddy, see if he'll do.
Father-in-law, our pickle got over. Can you please sit here?
What you fellows? Playing, huh? Tell me, you're not giving respect for my age? Wait, I'll call your father. Then he'll know.
Oh my God, he's calling my dad. Uncle.
Wait.
Please, uncle. Please don't call my dad. Uncle, please, uncle. I'm really very scared, uncle. Hey, please tell, man. Get lost, madman.
Huh? Bhaskar.
Sorry, Mr. Sundaram. In life, you'll always find a better one. Just be happy with whatever we have. This is said by the superstar. You selected me. He is not good. Now I'm not good. What will you do now? Will you search for another one? It'll go on like a chugging train. What, bro?
Chickabook.
So what I'm trying to say is, all the best. What more I can say?
We are happy about the things happen. All of a sudden your mind has changed. What is the reason?
You and Bhaskar is a friends? Or you, Bhaskar and Nalathambi put together a drama?
Yes, it's a drama, sir. But not a drama initiated by me, Bhaskar and Nalathambi. Okay, definitely. Action? Oh, wait. Hey, Arya, that Nayanthara. Oh my God. Hey, Bhaskar.